Man, what's cracking, YouTube? We back with another video. Finally finna get this Cadillac underway, man, and start fixing some of the minor issues on the lack. That way, you know, I ain't got the Chevy right now, so I might as well go ahead and start taking care of some of the little things with this car, because I did not realize having two different cars and both of them got little minor things going that you gotta take care of. It can be a hassle. So now that I got some time without the Chevy, man, I'm gonna dive back into the lack, get started on it. Today, man, we're gonna try to replace this power steering line that's kind of seized in there. So I'm thinking more than likely I'm gonna just soak it down with some Kimball and then try to get it off. If it don't come off, I'm just gonna have to cut it off and then like run a socket down on it and try to get it out, because my line wrenches, when I try to put them on there, they just spread. So yeah, that's today's goal, man. Today's mission for today's video is get that power steering line fixed. There'll be one less issue we got to take care of on this. And I think after that, we just got to do the rear main seal. Once we get the rear main seal took care of, we should be pretty solid as far as like little stuff. We done already did the water pump, belts, alternator, what else? New fuel pump, new fuel lines, air filters. I mean, everything's, we pretty much done all the stuff. Spark plugs, cap, rotor, all that stuff's been done on this one. So next, you know, we need to, do the rear main seal. But right now, finna get everything set up, man, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get all the tools I need lined up and get this thing soaking in. We're gonna get started. Yep, so just as I expected, it's gonna be a little too rusty to get off, so I'm gonna have to use my cutoff wheel, cut this off here, and then the one on the back, I don't know if y'all can see it, it's kind of stripped on the back of the pump. Focus camera. There it goes. The one on the back of the pump's kind of stripped, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I can cut here off and at the back. But the hard pump is there's a fuel pump down there, and I ain't trying to blow up. So that's the next dilemma we got. We're gonna have to cut these out and go from there and figure out how to get it off after we cut it off. So let me try to set this up where I can try to cut it off without blowing up. If I blow up, it'll be good content. So let me set this up real fast. See what we can do. Actually, that's the thing. Got my little cut off, but I need to be able to cut it far enough up where I can get the like a socket down over the top. So let me figure that out, and I'll cut y'all back on once I get this figured out how I'm gonna cut it off. So I was able to cut it off here and on the back of the pump. I just stuffed a rag in between, that way, you know, the sparks wouldn't get down to that pump, because the pump's right there. And on this one, I was actually able to angle my tool where the sparks came back the opposite way, but that one I wasn't able to. So now we got them free. I'm just gonna bust these out. We'll get the new line in and bleed it out and clean all this up, and then keep going from there. But man, I literally just put this water pump on here and it is rusty. I'm telling you, these aftermarket parts are so cheap in these days. But yeah, let me install the new line, clean everything up, and then we're gonna bleed it out and be done with this project for the day and on to the next one. Finally, man, we got the new steering line in. Power steering's been bled out, so I think we're good. We just gonna take it back in the wash bay, clean everything out on it, and clean the car up. We're gonna take it out for the rest of, enjoy the rest of the day. So y'all see it. This job actually wasn't hard. It's like probably a 30-minute deal. Less than that if your line don't get stuck, but like I said, I had to cut the line off and put a new one in. Everything is back in. We definitely gotta clean out all the power steering that we spilled. Focus camera, so we gotta clean all that up, and we're probably gonna try to like clean out this engine bay a little bit today too, and then put this thing out on the street. So yeah, about to get it all put back together, get it in the wash bay. We're gonna spray everything out, wash it up, and end this video off after we get done with that. So let me cut y'all off and cut y'all back on in a minute. Out here trying to get the motor cleaned up, man. We ain't gonna be able to detail this thing because we got too much going on in the shop right now. A lot of cats doing their stuff, so right now we gotta let the detailers work. But anyway, man, we got it cleaned out, ready to go. Right now I'm putting that degreaser down there. So yeah, man, another video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all keep checking in with me, man, on these cars. Like I said, having 2 cars is so much harder to maintain than just one. But, you know, we're going to keep it going, keep working on both of them, and keep the content coming and flowing with these 2 cars, man. Y'all just, like I said, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. We should be getting the MC back next week, and we're going to get back in that real heavy. And, yeah, man, see y'all in the next video.